When it comes to advertising your business on Facebook and other social media platforms, you can apply certain principles from Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power to enhance your strategy. Here are some suggestions. Law 6. Court attention at all costs. Create eye-catching visuals and compelling headlines to grab users' attention. Consider using bold colors, contrasting images, or intriguing business-related facts to stand out. Law 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your targets. Share valuable tips and insights related to your business to establish yourself as an authority. Offer free advice or resources, such as ebooks or infographics, to provide value to potential customers. Law 16. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Limit the frequency of your posts to avoid overwhelming users' news feeds. By maintaining some scarcity, your content may be perceived as more valuable and noteworthy. Law 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Highlight common niche-related problems and the negative consequences they can have on people's lives or properties. Emphasize how your business services can prevent or solve these issues effectively. Law 25. Recreate yourself. Present your business as innovative and adaptable, keeping up with the latest your business techniques. Showcase any certifications, advanced equipment, or eco-friendly practices that differentiate you from competitors. Law 27. Play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. Build a strong brand identity and cultivate a community around your business. Encourage satisfied customers to share testimonials and positive experiences to foster trust and credibility. Law 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Portray your business as a leader in your business industry. Highlight any awards, recognitions, or partnerships that demonstrate your expertise and authority. Law 47. Do not go past the mark you aimed for. In victory, learn when to stop. Avoid excessive self-promotion or bragging, as it may turn off potential customers. Focus on providing valuable content, engaging with your audience, and maintaining a professional online presence. Remember, while incorporating these principles can enhance your advertising efforts, it's essential to prioritize ethics, honesty, and genuine customer satisfaction to build a sustainable and reputable business. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.